One of my favorite foods growing up in Italy was pasta ragù. Ragù is a traditional Italian meat-based sauce, typically used to accompany pasta. The sauce is slow cooked and features il soffritto, which is a mix of finely chopped carrots, celery and onions, chopped pancetta, ground beef with some aromatics. So we'll start off by chopping some carrots. Now we want to chop them in big chunks because lately we'll mince them a little bit. Then we will also do the same thing with the celeries, and finally we'll do the same thing with the onions as well. Now we're going to add the carrots, onions and celery into the blender. What we want to do is to have some sort of finely chopped mix of vegetables, so not finely blended but just chopped, just like this. Now put the soffritto into a bowl. Then we want to chop the pancetta as well. Something that can help your blender to chop the pancetta is to put the pancetta in the freezer prior to blending it. It makes it much easier. In a large pot over medium heat, add the olive oil, add the mixed pancetta and let it braise for a few minutes until lightly brown. Add the soffritto to the pot and cook for 3 to 5 minutes until the vegetables begin to soften. Now at this point you want to increase the heat to medium-high and add your minced beef and cook for another 7 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Pour in the red wine and cook for a few minutes, allowing the alcohol to evaporate. Stir in the passata and let it cook for another 3 minutes. Now we are going to add our stock. As you can see on the side, I have some vegetable stock that I made already, so I'm just gonna add it to my sauce. I suggest to make a lot of stock, as I put it out 600 ml. Now we are going to add our aromatics, mainly basil, rosemary and the rind of a Parmesan cheese. Make sure to mix it well, and lastly we're going to add salt and pepper to taste. Keep in mind that the pancetta and the stock already have some salt, so you want to taste the sauce prior to that. Reduce the heat to low, cover and simmer for 3 hours. Stirring every 15 to 30 minutes. If the sauce starts to dry out during the simmering phase, you can add more water or, even better, more stock to it. Once your ragù is ready, add it to a large skillet over medium heat. Add your pasta of choice. I went for tagliatelle. Mix and toss the pasta. Add some Parmesan cheese for some finishing touch and start plating. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share to stay updated on new videos.